Welcome to Drawsh Studio. Today we're going to learn a simple method to draw stairs in perspective. Let's get started. To start, let's draw a large box in 2-point perspective. Now let's use the X trick to divide the side plane. We will use this framework to construct our stairs. If we only divide the plane in half, we will get 2 stair steps. If we want more stair steps, we can continue to subdivide the side plane of the box. Another set of divisions gives us 4 squares across, which means we would have 4 stair steps to the top. If we divide again, we have double the squares to 8 across, which means we would have 8 stair steps to the top. If we want more stairs, we just keep subdividing. To help us go further, we need to name the parts of a stair. The section that goes up is called the rise, and the section we step on is called the run. Rise, run, rise, run. Our next step would be to draw a perspective line from the corner of our first rise and run to the left vanishing point. Then we take this new front corner to the right vanishing point. Where this new line crosses the perspective line from our run is the back of the first stair. We draw a rise up from here and stop where it meets the next perspective line. Each line gives us the starting and stopping points for the new stairs. Each time we draw another line, it gives us information to connect the next stair. We simply repeat this pattern, taking the rise and run points to the left vanishing point and the new stairs to our right vanishing point as we work our way up. As our stairs get closer to the horizon line, the lines get closer together, and it becomes more difficult to see the points. This stair is just above the horizon line, and because the rise and run lines are right on top of each other, there's no clear stopping point for our next stair. But by finding where the stair above meets the corner of our box, gives us the point to draw our final rise to. It might seem like it took a lot of lines to construct these stairs, but once you get in the rhythm, it goes quickly. And here's our awesome stairs to nowhere. But there's an alternate way we can do this too. We start the same with our stairs inscribed on one side of our box. But then we find the inside plane of the box and subdivide that the same amount as our outer plane. Then inscribe the stairs on the far side and simply connect the rise and runs together. If done correctly, each method should yield the exact same results. Try this on your own. Make a set of stairs, and then build something around it using the basics of perspective and your own creativity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to drawsh.com for more information on these topics and many more. If you want to see more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.